No!
What? Sorry. I need to get the meeting ID.
So what are your thoughts?
Huh. How much money do you think I could make off it?
I would go, let's say, I don't really know how storyboarding works, but I do know that if I were you, because I wouldn't haggle over like, charging by the hour or whatnot. I would just charge for the final product. So like, if I were you, I would say, I want, I don't know, 100 something for the entire storyboard.
Is it pretty long?
So that's the thing. It is pretty damn extensive. It's, well, the sex scene is see, this is like where what it comes down to is like, I don't know much about storyboarding. It's supposed to be like I'm able to just pull people onto it. But what I can say is that I can figure it out with you, and you could do the renderings, and then you could charge some delicious money from it.
Really?
We really be at your whim, dude. You could charge, because we don't know anybody who can storyboard or draw like you can, to be realistic. You could really extort us, is what I'm saying.
Really? You think I could extort
I
you?
think that this Zoom is being recorded, because this could just go under the Kill Travis plan. So
I want to make sure you guys can look back at this problem when I'm done with it.
Hold on, I can't get the damn. This meeting is being recorded by the host or a participant off the screen. Hold on.
The live transcripts going.
Is Bobby joined yet, Nick?
Bobby. Oh, Bobby's here.
Oh.
Good afternoon, class.
Dude, Bobby, you're in class. What are you doing?
Bobby.
The entire class can hear you.
Bobby, please tell me how you would go about approaching this problem.
Okay, here's what I'll say. Let me look up some examples of like storyboards and how long they are and like what they look like, and then I'll send them to you. And I'll talk to my director like really fast. His name is Sebastian.
Sebastian.
I hate that this is being recorded.
Oh, hey, Bobby. You're late for class.
What?
You're late.
How am I late? I couldn't get the thing to work.
Bobby,
That's something you should have worked out last night.
Bobby, why are you late to class?
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Professor Trev. I mean, Matthews, Professor Trev.
Bobby, stop playing with your fingers.
Oh, it says Professor Chief on here. Interesting. It's like a YouTube video.
Remove your eyeballs from the screen. Man, Bobby, it is a good thing you are here.
Why? I can't hear you that well.
What?
I can't hear you that well.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, what's the good reason for me being here?
You don't want to talk to us?
No, I do. I was confused. I thought we were joining someone's class, and I thought it'd be funny to start messing up their class.
You want to mess up my class?
Whoever sent the thing. Oh, that was your class.
My God. Bobby, you want to mess up Nick's class?
I'm best known for chaos.
You're an agent of chaos?
Yep.
You're just anarchy and everything becomes chaos?
Yeah, I could do that. Wait, Nick, you're becoming a engineer, right?
No, I'm becoming an artist.
Okay, Travis, is he becoming an engineer?
What, Bobby?
Is Nick becoming an engineer?
Yeah, so how to become storyboard artists.
What?
Yeah. Nick is has how to become storyboard artist.
Wait, are we trying to help you with the script? Is that why?
Uh,
What's going on? I'm confused.
Nick, are you making me make a deal with you?
yeah.
Nick, if this ends up happening, you have a choice. The money or that deal you're making me.
What? I'm confused. How late am I to this thing? Because I don't get what's going on.
You haven't been following along?
No, I'm not following along at all. I'm
Okay,
confused.
we're taking the moment at A to cancel out the force of RA.
What's RA? Wait, am I not looking at something correctly? I just see both of you. What? I don't see
Not
Travis.
looking at the whiteboard.
I don't see the whiteboard. There's no way.
Bobby, you are interrupting class. Please.
Okay, wait.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, the math problem?
Yeah.
It says where to place a concentrated load of reaction RB 50 libs and feet.
All right. How do you think we start this one?
Nice hat, Professor.
Thank you, Travis.
Why are you doing math right now?
Wait, let me guess. Where
Am I able to actually add something?
concentrated load
Interesting.
that the reaction RA equals RB. Man, I would place it right smack dab in the middle.
Really?
My guess, 7.5 feet from the left. Sorry, 6.5 feet from the left.
Why? I hate you.
I'm probably wrong. I don't know. It just makes sense to me that I don't even know what R sub A and R sub B mean, but if you place a load directly in the fucking middle, I don't know.
Is this erase button? It doesn't erase anything, but my pen does something.
Are you trying to erase my work, Bobby?
No, I'm just trying to erase the RB
All right,
because
I'm gonna place 400 pounds on that frail little thing. It's gonna snap in half.
Yeah, probably.
See, Bobby, we're learning.
Yeah, math. Yep. Oh shoot! Sorry, I'm trying to.
That's really just.
So the distributed load can be localized.
Oh, you can distribute the load?
No, see this distributed load right here?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
It can be localized at the midway point, at the halfway point.
Yeah.
So it's 50 pounds per foot across 4 feet. So that would be 50 times 4. I'm looking at 200 pounds right here. Right? Does that help you visualize it a little better?
Yep.
Me too.
Fuck.
Good bear.
Oh my god. The transcript said, good God. So then if that's 200, then I'm assuming it's the same to the left or no?
No, there's no force on the left-hand side, but I appreciate your participation. You get 10 points for participation.
Fuck. It recorded that.
Yeah, I know. I see that too.
Professor,
What?
why are you recording this meeting?
So you can look back at it after class, because I know you're not paying attention. Shower.
You say shower.
You are probably correct.
I hate
So,
students.
what do you say, Nick? Deal or moolah?
Steal from
It's
Lula?
not even a good
Or-
deal.
Or another hot dog.
Mm.
You motherfucker.
$100 or another hot dog.
Oh, wait. How many hot dogs do you owe him?
One.
Just one? Okay, never mind. That's good. That's
All
good because it could get worse.
all for fucking hot dog. Sorry, Professor. Continue. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Why are my students trolling?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Math makes me want to draw pictures of anything else, but math.
But you chose to take a mechanical engineering class?
Sorry, I thought it sounded like a jigsaw thing. Like I would learn how to become jigsaw, but it's really boring.
Did you just call his class boring?
No, jigsaw just makes it look more fun.
Bobby, this is what college is all about.
Put him in the waiting room.
You put him in the waiting room?
I don't even know how do I get him back?
He called your class boring, so you booted him from the class. Oh, you're already on your way to becoming a college professor.
Please
Oh, you
play
boot-
games in my class.
You kicked me. Why?
Please don't play games in my class.
Bobby, you're playing game. Professor.
What's wrong? I don't get how I'm the terrorist here. You know, we're about to go to World War III. Why should I give a fuck about anything?
Please don't play games in my class.
I've been watching the news.
Please don't play games in my class. Please don't play games in my class.
Hey, Professor,
Yes.
is it
Nope.
possible to, I mean, what would happen if we were to distribute, instead of a load of P equals 400 pounds, you know? Like what if we were to distribute Bobby over this?
Okay. How much do you weigh, Bobby?
I don't know. Oh wait, you know, I could actually, if I have my ID card, I could probably. So nope, I don't know where it is.
All right. Where would you place Bobby such that the reaction RA equals RB?
I'm a learner, so could I see what the Bobby looks like? I'm a very visual guy. Equals Bobby.
Where do we place in Bobby? Well, we have the reaction RB, which is 9 feet away. So
Yeah.
multiply by 9 because I'm sure you know torque is force times distance.
Yeah.
And we have the 200-pound concentrated load now, which is 11 feet away, 9 plus 2.
Okay.
Plus, I imagine Bobby would have a downward force on it. So we'll say, Bobby, how much do you weigh? Oh my God.
You
You
can
have-
make.
Can you answer a simple question?
Well, I'm here.
How much do you weigh, Bobby?
I don't know.
Oh,
Get back to the waiting room. Professor, can you move him to the waiting
let's
room?
just say he weighs 130.
Okay.
He weighs at least as much as Apple.
Oh my God.
And Bobby is X feet away. Plus, oh no, that's everything. All right. And we're assuming it's all in equilibrium. So it equals 0. Now,
Balanced, Professor, as all things should be.
thank you. Now let's let Bobby back in.
All right.
All right, Bobby, I'm just gonna assume you weigh 130 pounds.
That actually is you kicking me out of the class, right?
Yeah. All right, so you may have noticed we have 2 unknowns and only 1 equation.
Yes, Professor Camerata.
What does that mean? What does that mean, Travis?
Well, it means that Bobby has to be distributed evenly over the 4-foot length.
Good job.
If Bobby is 130 pounds, then 130 divided by 4, 104 into 130, 3, 12, is it 32?
32
About
feet?
about 32 pounds per foot.
No, we're not gonna spread Bobby across the beam like a peanut butter spread. So we're just gonna leave him as a 130 pounds where he's standing. Yes, Bobby, what's up?
Oh, you could actually see that. All right, because I've been raising it for a little bit.
Wait, so Professor Bobby has
Hey, I think I'm being bullied. I literally had a question and someone's like interrupting me.
You raised your hand to say this?
No, I didn't raise my hand to say that. I raised my hand to say, what are we doing?
No, we're answering the question.
But I don't get any
Where
of this.
would you place Bobby so that the reaction at our
This is not your actual homework, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, all right. I thought you were like trolling, and I'm just like,
Where would
no.
you place Bobby so that the reaction RA equals RB? RA is this little hinge, and RB is also supported by a hinge.
Professor, why can't I spread Bobby like a peanut butter sandwich?
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Across the entire 13-foot beam?
All right, fine. We'll keep him.
Yeah, well, because the question asks where would you place him, and if we spread him like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, there's nowhere to place him. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Bobby.
What? Oh, sorry. I was trying to get rid of the raising the hand. No, I got.
Okay. Bobby. Yeah. This isn't working out.
Please don't play games in my class. All right, we need 2 equations because we have 2 unknowns. Obviously, we have RB and X. So let's find the sum of the forces in the y direction. What do you say?
Sounds good, Professor.
You probably remember this from physics.
Oh, I remember torque.
Good boy.
I'm not sure I remember.
Bobby's looking at memes.
What? Kick him. Move him back to the weight room.
All right. So RA is probably in the up direction.
Realize we're just like exacerbating Bobby's view of how he thinks college is.
Welcome back, Bobby.
This is so.
Are you done playing games?
You probably
What
think.
you're supposed to do? You're not kicking Travis any number of times.
Travis is paying attention. He's actively asking questions, and you're just looking at Spider-Man memes.
Okay, fine. I thought he would get that one. I don't get any of this. I don't get your homework. I don't understand your homework.
What don't you understand, Bobby?
Nothing. I don't understand anything. What the heck's RB? What's the 200? The negative 200? What's the 9? What's the 11?
Okay.
And then you randomly put me in there as an example. But I mean, I get how math problems do that. So I guess that's the only thing I understand.
Well, it's because I put you in because Travis requested we did the math problem with Bobby instead of a 400-pound force.
I mean, I think.
Okay, let me explain the schematic. So right here, this is a beam. It's a beam. It's just a rod.
Okay.
At RA or at point A, it's supported by a hinge. And at point B, it's supported by a hinge.
Are these like devices or something?
It's just a hinge. It's just holding it in place.
So this is like a tool. And in real life, if there's a beam, then there's something holding it.
Yeah, it can be applied to real life. This is a pretty useless beam, but yeah.
Yeah.
What?
I didn't say anything.
Travis, are you playing games in my class?
No, not at all. I heard Bobby say this is a useless class.
I didn't say. I, um, I didn't say it was a useless class at the moment. I was asking you.
Okay.
Come back to the room.
Okay, and over here on the right-hand side, imagine we have 200 pounds, or sorry, yeah, we have 200 pounds of butter spread across this 4-foot part of the beam. And this butter weighs 50 pounds per foot. So what I did to make it easier, I just multiplied the 50 by the amount of feet to get 200 pounds concentrated at the midway point.
There's butter on the beam.
Yeah, it's really dense butter. I'm just trying to paint a picture for you. Think of it like it's just covered in really heavy butter.
Okay.
Right? So we want to know. So obviously, if there's a heavy butter on this beam, there's going to be more force on RB, on RB than on RA, because RB is closer, it's taking more of the load. We want to know, where should we place Bobby so that RB and RA are taking the same amount of load?
I mean, you put me on the buttery side, maybe, or no? Wait, I missed one part.
Maybe. I would guess probably not, but because we just want to put Bobby somewhere where it cancels out the weight of the butter. It could be on the side of the butter.
Right
Is
there.
Bobby standing?
No, I'm trying to show you something. Don't fucking say that I'm interfering with anything. I'm just clicking.
What?
Right there.
Where's that?
I don't know. I thought that's where you were gonna put me.
Okay. How far along the beam is that?
I don't know. I just kind of thought that you'd put me there and it'd be kind of.
It could be there. Now keep in mind my image isn't to scale, so you kind of don't know what that means. But so we're gonna try to solve wherever that point that you just drew is in feet. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So that's what we're doing. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, let's go. I'm a good teacher. And now download Hearthstone.
Okay.
Thank you, Travis.
Can't wait. Oh wait, I think Travis failed the class.
All right, I should start this over for Bobby then.
Wait, Nick, where did you end up placing Bobby?
We haven't solved anything yet. I'm starting over.
Oh,
Travis, why aren't you showing your face?
why aren't I?
Yeah, I can't see you.
I have to go. Hold on, I have to go to settings and do something.
That doesn't take long.
Hold on. Allow Zoom to access your camera. Settings, privacy, camera.
All right. How do you think we should start this, Bobby?
Hmm?
How do you think we should start this? What do we need to find out?
Wait, what?
What do you think we need? What's the first thing that you think we need to find to solve this, Bobby? I understand you probably don't know how, but what do you think we need to find out to solve this?
But to find out that I go and sorted the spot. I mean, I wasn't entirely done drawing it. I just kind of had to rush it because I thought that I was.
Not fine. The drawing's not to scale anyways, so it doesn't really matter where you put it.
Hey, Professor, there are memes in Bobby's background.
I'm not doing anything with that now. Actually, I don't know how to get rid of them. They're just kind of there. You want me to put in your picture? I can do a picture. No. Is it the share content? I don't know. I keep forgetting.
Nope.
It doesn't go away. I don't know.
Do you want to answer Bobby's question or my question for Bobby?
Yeah, Professor. What was Bobby's question?
I was asking Bobby, what do you think we need to do, or what do you think we need to know in order to find out where to place Bobby.
Well, first of all, we need to know the direction of, well, let me think about that one. So what do we have to know? Well, we got to find R subset N or R subset B, right?
I think you're right.
Actually,
And keep in mind, we want them to be equal.
right. But as long as you figure out one, you got the other.
Precisely.
Um,
Bobby, what do you think? Have anything to add on?
What?
Do you have anything to add on?
No.
I still think I would spread Bobby like a peanut butter sandwich.
We could do that. It'd make the problem a lot easier.
Yeah, and then I'd eat them up.
But it's a beam of wood.
Are you what?
I like Travis's idea.
You're gonna get the with my
I think we should solve for the reaction at B. I think Travis, that's a good idea. So you probably already guessed it. We're going to take the sum of the moments, or the moment is another word for torque, at point A. Why point A? Well, we don't want to deal with point A. We only want to know point B. So
would you have gotten this problem done a lot faster if we weren't here? I'm kind of wondering if you
yeah.
would have.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
Why are you stretching it out then?
Oh, well, I just got done with one class, so now I'm here.
What?
I just got done with one class, so now I'm on to my next class. I'm here to teach you guys.
Mm-hmm.
I get paid a lot of money to do this.
I don't think I'm learning anything.
What's wrong?
I don't.
Well, we haven't started the problem yet, but
No, I don't know what RA and RB means.
oh, okay.
In a while, I'm insanely rusty, like rusty to the point where I don't remember any.
Okay, no problem. So RB is the upward force that this hinge is applying on the beam. So think about it like this. We have a box, and Travis.
Let's think about it like this. If elizabeam is
Elizabeam.
Where are we gonna have to lay Bobby on top of her such that the force is the same, right?
Exactly. So elizabeam's on this box.
Elizabeam.
She weighs what, maybe 131 pounds.
It's elizabeam.
Elizabeam is on the box. So to compensate, the box has to push back also 131 pounds, so it doesn't fall through the earth.
Or Bobby has to push back so he doesn't die.
So that's what's happening at RB. Of course, this is a little more complicated because the forces aren't directly on top of the beam, but that's pretty much what RB is. It's how much force this hinge is applying to the beam to hold it in place. How much force upwards. Yeah. It's like you're holding a weight up in the sky. How hard do you have to push to hold the weight up in the air? That's what RB is. Or if Matthews is sitting on your shoulder, how strong do your legs have to be to hold Matthews on your shoulder? That might be hard to think about, imagine, but yeah.
No, it's easy to imagine. It's called I'm Dead.
Sees this and realizes that
Travis might be the closest to holding him, but Travis might just lose an arm trying to hold Matthews on his shoulder.
Yes. Well, Bobby,
but he won't die from it.
Nick is recording this meeting, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, I think Matthews knows it too. He knows that if he sat on my shoulder, I would die.
Oh my
God. But since you weigh more than him now, you won't die, I think.
Okay. So, as we all know, torque is force times distance. Basically what that means is the farther away the force is, the larger the effect it will have on the point you're looking at.
Yep.
So first we have the weight of Bobby, which is X meters away or X feet away. See X here.
Where
On
we,
top, on
Bobby
top,
here.
on top of the Eliza beam.
You want to put elizabeam on top of Bobby?
No, Eliza is the beam.
Oh yeah, elizabeam or Bob Beam is riding elizabeam.
where I'm,
Okay, so
No.
Bob beam and Eliza beam.
Yeah, Eliza's on Bobby's beam.
Oh, okay, all right. I like that.
And
there's two
it's actually, oh, I made a mistake. You guys didn't
envision-
catch me. I made a mistake.
What?
You guys didn't catch me. I made a mistake. What mistake did I make?
BX.
That part is right. It's missing something though.
I don't know. I feel weird about the A, but I don't know.
Is it R sub B?
Oh wait. Is there a C?
We do have a point C. It's over here.
No, I mean
but
like
there's no reactions up there.
C over. Okay, never mind. Are we missing a number or something?
Not a number, but look, I said counterclockwise is positive.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh,
And now look at where Bobby's standing. If I'm looking at point A, what direction is Bobby gonna rotate the beam? If he's standing right here.
clockwise.
Clockwise, right? So this should be negative because it's rotating it clockwise.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep going. Next, we have their force RB. And Travis, you want to tell me how far away RB is from point A?
Yeah, it is 4.5. Oh no, RB 9 feet.
Exactly, 9 feet. And is it positive or negative, the force?
It is negative,
Negative?
Right. right?
Why?
Because I thought you said we were going counterclockwise.
Well, what is counterclockwise? Positive, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
In what direction is RB pushing the beam?
To the left. Or clockwise.
Clockwise?
Well, RB is pushing the beam upward? I can't tell.
Yeah, upwards, yes, upwards.
Okay.
And we're looking at point A. So with respect to point A, is RB going to push the beam clockwise or counterclockwise?
It will be pushing it counterclockwise.
Correct, counterclockwise. So it's positive. And then we have the butter at the end, which I concentrated onto this one spot right here. And that's negative because it's pushing it clockwise. It's going to be 200 pounds of butter.
Oh.
And Bobby, how far away is this concentrated force right here from point A?
I don't.
Take a guess. So the beam is 9 from A to B is 9 feet. From B to C is 4 feet. But
Six.
this is in the middle of it, so it's actually this is 2 feet. So how far away is this 200-pound force from point A in feet?
I don't know. I randomly put 6. Is that
6 is close, but not quite. It's actually going to be 9 feet plus 2 feet.
Okay.
Which is 11. That's how far away it is. And of course, the moment here equals 0 because there is this force right here can't influence it when it's 0 meters away or 0 feet away. All right, now we're cooking with water. We have an equation. Let's plug in all the known values. What's wrong, Travis?
Oh, Professor, I was just happy that we had an equation.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy too. I can't wait to finish this homework assignment.
I told you could get it done without us.
Okay, so
He's teaching us.
yeah, I'm teaching you guys. All right, so Bobby weighs 130 pounds, right? right? That's this value.
I
Sorry,
guess that was my thing. I don't know if I weigh that much.
I'm just assuming you weigh as much as Apple.
We're putting him on the elizabeam.
All right.
Pretty sure Eliza weighs more.
Yeah, she's fat. RB, we don't know RB. We're solving for it. We do
That's the opposite of what Eliza.
9 feet away. Who's playing game? All right, Travis, what's 200 times 11?
2200.
Thanks. Good boy.
Oh.
You get 11 points for participation.
Oh.
You can do that on here?
Yeah, I can give you participation points.
Okay, that's cool. No, I know I wouldn't. Probably.
Nick.
Now, Bobby,
Yeah.
you're probably noticing something.
What, something wrong, you mean?
Not necessarily wrong, but an obstacle, a problem. How are we going to solve for X if there's two variables? What do we do, Bobby? There's two variables. We only have one equation. How can we do this?
I don't fucking know.
Do. What are we gonna do, Bobby?
I don't know.
Are you
Well,
fucking?
This is kind of how I went through math class.
Well,
I
we
kind
can.
of said I don't know, and then enough time passed by that people just gave me the answers. I mean, I solved some.
Usually just gonna half heck my class, Bobby.
Half heck.
Am I really just
There
as
is a
bad as
time-
the other math professors?
No, I don't know. Maybe that was my anti-charm, was that they just felt so bad for a piece of shit like me that they just decided, you know what, let's just do the fucking problems for him. Get him the fuck out of here.
Are
Bobby?
you volunteering to do the problem, Bobby?
I thought something was going on there, but
You just know playing game.
I'm not playing games. I underlined the thing. I thought that there was going to be something that would be added to that or something. I don't know.
What do you think needs to be added?
I don't know. Something added at some point. Not directly at that one, but at some point, maybe something divided after. I don't know.
Why do you think this?
I don't know. I'm just getting images in my head that I'm thinking some of these things, but then I don't know how to put them together. Yeah. I don't know. Nick. I don't know. What do we do, Nick?
Well, we can't solve for any variables, but we can at least isolate one of them. So I say we do it.
All right, Professor. We're gonna trust you on this journey.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it.
Fine, Professor. I'll just let you know that I just want to let you know. I won't be here to take the final because I'm going to be sick that day.
That's okay. You get full credit. Bobby gets a 0.
All right.
Thank you, Professor.
Travis, do they still hate me or what?
Who?
Your family.
Oh, yeah.
What did your dad think?
He will basically agree with Mamita.
You're not even telling me like the direct thing she said, like a really, really evil sounding thing, the way you made it sound.
She thought what you did was malicious.
No, I heard that. That was the words. That was it.
Well, that was the core. Said
What was it, like a freak out a little bit?
he was a yelling man.
So it's just not something at all that can be fixed, it looks like.
I thought it was, but not anytime soon.
All right, we have an equation that solves for RB.
Let's go.
Yay.
All right, but we still need to.
What happened with the second variable?
No, it's still here.
Oh, okay.
Right
Oh,
here.
so you
X.
were trolling Bobby because you just had to isolate for the second variable.
Yeah, we can't quite solve for it, but we can at least isolate one of them.
So now we need a second equation. So to make a system of equations.
All right, what are we thinking? how are we gonna get a second equation?
Shit.
What are we
Alright.
missing? What are we missing?
Well, we need RA now. R sub
Yeah,
A.
exactly. All right, let's do it.
And then we can set the two equations equal to each other. So now let's approach this from A instead of B. So
Can we do that?
yeah,
Interesting. Okay,
so now
let's try that. Let's try that.
the
Sure.
sum of
Let me write
and
this down.
so this time it's clockwise, so it should be positive. You forgot to fix that, Professor Camerata.
Hmm?
That should be negative, right? In front of the sum.
Where? I'm
The-
not erasing this.
What?
I wrote it down up here. What we
Oh.
got?
Oh, like, the summation symbol
The summation.
at the beginning.
What about it?
The fat looking E at the beginning.
What about it?
Shouldn't that be a negative right there?
No. We're
Isn't-
saying I'm saying counterclockwise is positive.
And clockwise is
You
negative.
can
Okay.
you can do clockwise as positive if you want.
No, we no, it's cool. We
But
just did.
it's too late now.
Yeah.
Okay, so you wanna do a summation at B?
E of,
Okay.
yeah, we just did A, right? Then yeah, B
All right, we can try that. See how that
Oh.
goes.
works.
Yes, we'll try it. All
I
right.
hope we don't just end up with the same fucking equation just solved for the other isolated variable.
I mean, R of A does equal B. Let's see what happens.
Travis,
Oh,
how the heck are you not able to solve this? That's probably the biggest mind-boggling thing out of everything. No, you could like
I would
work
take it.
like 2000 divided by like some other number, and then you like do it in your head. But you can't do all this. You can't just like snap your fingers and get this fucking thing done. No, we're just lingering. We're lingering through this thing. You're tutoring kids all the fucking time, or you were, but you can't get this equation done. That's
Hey, Travis offered up an equation. Let's
okay,
try it out.
Travis.
Let's try it out.
Travis fix the entire problem. You probably know what it is.
Travis, are you hiding?
Yeah, Travis is hiding. Travis, you're the math guy. Come
What's
on.
the answer, Travis? Where are we putting Bobby?
Oh.
Bobby
No.
called you out.
oh,
That's
oh,
weird.
oh boy, shiver me timbers. Okay, so what I think we should do.
Yeah, set this up for me, Travis.
Okay. So the last equation we had bx, right? So this time we have to have ax, right?
Oh, sorry.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Okay, Bobby, really?
What do you want? A of X?
I do. Right? Because the last time we had b of x or b, right?
Okay, so we're doing the moment at B. First, let's work our way left to right on the beam. What do you say with the forces?
Well, we're coming from A, right? Or from
From
yeah.
B, yeah, right here. So let's work our way from left to right. So start off with R of A. It's pushing it clockwise, so it's negative.
Hey, Nick, I
Yeah.
don't think you need to help out in this situation. Just let him do his thing, right? Let him do his magic.
Okay.
He'll figure it out.
Okay.
Can I see? I feel like I have the right to ask to see the work we
Yeah, you want to see what?
just did. I know you just erased it.
Oh, I erased it. But basically what we're doing is we're summing up
Oh, yeah.
we're summing
So-
up all the forces with respect to B.
So well, the one.
So if
force-
R of A is 9 feet away,
yeah.
that is the reaction it's going to have on B, force times distance.
Okay, but that's the only. I mean, now I just see another force to the right of B.
Correct?
So we have to move over. Now.
What's up?
So from the are we left side only, or are we also right?
All the
side?
force, some of all of the forces.
Okay, so then I guess the next force would be the one to the left or to the right of RB, right?
Sure.
So it would. I can't really. It's the. Is something pushing down on it? I can't see.
Yes, this is a 200 pounds of butter concentrated
So
2 feet away from RFB.
So the distance would be 11 now. And it would, right? No?
Well, we're at B right now, so
Oh, okay, so then it would be 2.
correct.
So
And-
we go, this time it's +2, right? Because it's counterclockwise.
Is it counterclockwise?
Uh,
We're at B, so from B, is this downward force pushing it clockwise or counterclockwise?
Clockwise.
Correct, so that's negative.
Oh, clockwise is negative. I always forget that. Okay. Clockwise is negative, and then we also have another 4. No, that's it. No, wait, there's another force. Hold on. Is there something pushing B to the left?
There is. And that is Bobby himself.
Oh, okay. So
I'm
because
assuming it's to the left. If it's to the right, the answer will be negative, but I'm assuming it's to the left.
so we're at, okay, and it's pushing it counterclockwise, so it's plus, and the distance 4.5 from
4.5?
B,
Where did you get 4.5?
from B, right? I see Bobby smack dab in the middle of the 9 feet.
No, we don't know where he is.
Does it sound like he's solving on his own?
Bobby is X feet away from RV for point.
Okay.
We don't know where he is. It's not to scale.
So
Yeah.
X,
Doesn't sound like he's solving it on his own. I don't know. All this talk is getting me bored, and I'd like.
And he saw Travis is working through it pretty nicely, actually.
I know he's working through it, but then you're also talking, and I feel like that's helping him. So
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah, but he knows how to do his own homework. Just like
Jesus.
I don't know. He knows where I'm sitting. He knows where everything is.
it's plus X times 130.
Oh, he's learning, Bobby.
He's learning. What the fuck? I think he would know how to solve a problem like this.
I mean, do you wanna help him out, Bobby?
I don't know how
How would you go
to.
about
I
this?
think he would know how to just solve this thing immediately because of how he is with math. I mean, I wouldn't be able to
There's a
solve
little-
this thing.
It's not just it's
A little more
it's,
than math.
it's physics.
Yeah, it's a little more than just adding and subtracting.
Oh.
That should be plus 130x.
Plus 130x. Remember though, we used x as the distance away from A. It's not
So
the
you
distance
have
away
to
from
label
B.
it y or label it
Or what if we
Or-
did 9 minus x?
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
That makes sense?
Makes sense to me. All right, now let's
Is that all the forces?
yes.
Yeah.
Or yeah, that's all the forces. So now we have -9 r sub a.
And now
Mine-
remember, r sub a is equal to b, right? We're assuming r a is equal to b, so let's just change that to rb.
All right, okay, let me see here. Let's just distribute everything. So we have -9 r sub b minus 400 plus 700, or no, 1,006, I think it's 1,600 and 9 times 13, 3 times 9 is 3, 120. Oh, yeah. Minus 100, thank you. And then you will combine the 1,170. So that's going to be 770 right there. -9 r sub b. Plus 770 minus 130x equals 0. And then we're going to okay, now it should be 770 minus 130x equals 9 r sub b. And then we'll divide by 9, so I'll just put 2 steps into 1. 770 divided by 9, 8. 9 times 9, no, 8. So then you can divide everything by 9. I don't know what that's gonna,
Transcript's getting in the way.
oh, it's 85?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Did you get it?
Minus, that's 85.
See, I love it. I love how fast this is going. Didn't need all this bullshit talk in the
Well,
background.
the setup is the hard part. Now it is just math, which Travis is fantastic at. So
Where my X?
Yeah, sorry. Thank you.
So now we have R, okay, so now we have RB and RV. Oh, that's perfect. So
Well, RB is RV. We're assuming they're equal.
Son of a
Right.
bitch. Yeah, but this isn't gonna work. Motherfucker.
Why not?
You said they each other, right? Then you have. Wait a minute. Well, yeah, because you set them equal to each other. You have to combine the x's,
Yep.
and that would just get you to. That would take away the variable.
Yep.
Fuck.
Looks like this equation's not gonna work.
You motherfucker! Fucking kidding me?
Do you wanna know what I had in mind?
Yeah.
So were you trolling Travis or me?
I wasn't trolling him. He had an
I-
idea. I wanted to see a
I
see a.
wasn't- Or a
I knew it wasn't gonna work, but
But I feel like now you just, you hurt Travis's feelings. Now Travis thinks he's stupid, and I don't.
no, not stupid. I mean, it's only natural to think that first we solve the RB, then we go to R, or first we solved RB, now we go to RB. But since they're equal, you kind of just get two identical equations. I think this is what I would have done, because we kind of want a differently formatted equation. Let's get the sum of the forces just in the y direction. No torque, just the sum of the moments or the forces in the y direction. This equation is a lot simpler. We have R of A minus Bobby plus R of B.
Travis, what happened to your face?
I really sad and had to cry myself to sleep for a second.
Oh.
Then I got-
200 pounds. See?
Yeah, I mean, I'm hoping whatever you wrote down was whatever it is. I mean, not that I would.
Now, with this equation, it'll just let us solve for R of B because it's the only unknown. R of A is R of B, so we can just change that. Bobby, as we know, is 130 pounds. So yeah.
Purposefully talking like a teacher. I know you could be saying this a lot more fun.
Well, I'm just trying to make it simple.
Yeah, but this is how teachers talk. They all say, well, in this.
Professor, moving back to the waiting room.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, it's kind of annoying.
Oh, so peace and quiet. All right, Professor, now that Bobby's gone and he's never going to see this recording, should we tell him that I've been paying you this entire time to give me an A in the class and to make Bobby have 0?
Bobby actually left.
Actually.
Yeah. Wait. We solved for RFB. That was easy.
So R, so now, oh, you're good now.
Yeah, let's write this down.
Except now you just solved the entire equation with placing Bobby down on elizabeam, not the other.
Perfect.
You just figured out how to place Bobby on elizabeam. Oh, and now I just realized that we should probably have flipped it around so that, yeah, Eliza was on Bobby's beam.
Yeah,
Ah,
thanks to the rest of us.
what are you gonna do? Oh, man. I've learned so much from this already. I'm so happy.
I feel like it's a pretty interesting concept.
Yeah,
Or to place Bobby on the beam so that's balanced.
yeah. It's I didn't see that there were forces acting on the beam. Yeah. Gotta place him so he's balanced. Although, yeah. Bobby is anything but balanced.
Yep.
Oh man, all these.
And it
Okay,
looks like
Nick, stop solving this. You can go back to your problem.
we're getting a positive answer, which means my assumption was correct. Bobby is going to be on the left-hand side of the beam.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
X equals 5.51 feet.
Feet from R sub A,
Sure. Yes.
from point A.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it
Boogie.
makes sense because you have a force of 200 pounds acting on.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah, we
on
always gotta check, does it make sense?
on the
About
right.
5 feet away, that's like a little past the middle of this beam,
Yeah.
so. We did
Oh,
it.
I just screenshotted that.
I'm recording, don't worry.
Where would you place Bobby? Oh man.
All right, should we do another one?
Oh god. Well, I unfortunately have to go because as interesting as this is actually pretty interesting. But my mom, I have to do. Chavez is doing that thing again, where remember? Did I tell you about this? He just randomly the Bluetooth just grays out.
Wait, what?
Yeah, in Chavez, every
Father's Day, yeah.
every 6 months or so, his the Bluetooth not that the Bluetooth option just grays itself out, so I can't use Bluetooth and I can't like use aux cord or anything like that.
No.
Apparently it's a problem with something in the engine, like a fuse is loose or something, so they have to go into the engine and like push it back into place every 6 months or so.
Rip.
I have to get up at 7:30 and take my car in, and then RIP that.
Yeah, that sucks.
Oh, at least it's not Thursday.
That's true. At least Caesar Chavez Day is on a Thursday. I got really happy when I found that out.
These are Chavez days on Thursday.
Yeah, that's awesome. I get a Thursday off because of him.
Wait, actually,
Yep.
when is Caesar Chavez Day?
I don't know, like March 31st or something. I don't know.
That's actually hilarious.
I don't know actually what it is. I might be way off.
You get a day off from Caesar Chavez.
But not President's Day.
That's absolutely hilarious.
He's
Oh
a
my-
pretty good guy. Yeah.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Oh fuck. Oh man, thank you for this lesson, Professor Camerata.
Yeah, I'll stick around if anyone has any questions. I'll post the recording soon.
I have a question, Professor.
Yeah.
You want to join as our storyboard artist?
That sounds like a really hard task.
I
Honestly, I'm pretty freaking busy already.
Before you make a decision, let me look up some examples.
Sure.
All right. I will look up
I've been having pretty busy weeks though, so I don't know if I'd be able to take that on, honestly.
I hear that. I hear that. But yes. Before you make a decision, I'll look up some examples, and I'll be able to tell if this would take you all day. Oh, you missed all the class.
Put the meeting code in.
I bet you're probably super busy, and I'll let you know.
All right. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you. Fuck. Nicholas Camarata, please stop playing with your fingers.
Yeah, I was literally doing this.
Why is Eagly in the chat?
You're supposed to be in the waiting room.
Oh my god, hold on.
Well, Bobby, we found out that you needed to be placed about 5.5 feet away from point A to balance the beam.
Bobby? Bobby? Nick?
Yeah.
Why is Bobby not responding?
And he just doesn't want participation points, I guess.
Bobby, don't you want participation points? Bobby? Nick, is Bobby dead?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Nick. Oh my god.
Class is in session.
God, no, 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 my God. No, 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 God. Oh my God.
We have another student. Oh, cool, you made it to class. You just missed the example, unfortunately. Sorry.
What?
We just went over the homework
What the
problem one. Sorry, we just went over homework problem 1. I think I already erased the whiteboard, right? Unless it was saved. It didn't save, did it? No, it didn't. It's okay, Cole. I've recorded the meeting for you, so you can watch it back if you'd like.
What the fuck?
Emily can watch it too. That's fine.
What the fuck?
Emily's late for class as usual.
No, she's here.
I'm here. I'm at class.
Yeah, we've been in class for an hour and 24 minutes though. So I think
Well-
we're late.
Is Travis in this? Travis.
I'm just taking notes. Sorry. Nick's been lecturing us on how to place Bobby on elizabeam such that the forces equal out.
What the
And then, he's teaching us about
Who's
empowerment,
who,
right?
who else is there's one other person. Who's Eglu?
That's Bobby.
Bobby has not been participating in this class. I'm gonna give him a
Bobby,
0.
you're gonna lose participation points.
He already did. At least he has his camera on, unlike Travis. I think I'm gonna take away your participation points, Travis.
No, my camera's on.
You guys will do anything
Against
but
your face. You need to get the workout.
I'm coming.
uh,
You're playing games.
bye
coming,
guys. You guys
Okay.
This is such an awesome meeting.
This is not the greatest meeting of all time. Oh my God, this is amazing. Nick, you are the best teacher I think I've ever had.
Yes.
And I'm so proud of you. I just really wish I could. There's more-
What?
Let's just say I'm really proud of you and the progress.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna end the recording now and I'm gonna send it to you guys.